about Guruji through a friend. She's been associated with him for a long time and also related. And when I came here with the hope, I actually saw that he's gifted. There is something more to him than that meets the eye. And when he blesses you, it actually trickles down in your life, and you see the effect then and there. And I've seen that with my niece, with my sister, with my mother who has last stage of arthritis and it's getting better. My sister who had complications in her pregnancy, the doctor says baby's all right. And I myself feel very elevated. I feel positive about life, and I think he's very compassionate. That's what draws me towards him. So much care and concern for others. What he tells you is to lead a good life, to do Simran, which is Tu hi Nirankar main teri sharan mujhe bakhsh do, which I think we part of Hindu families, we all have grown up doing Simran, doing puja, and I have been practicing Buddhism for almost 12 years, so it's in my blood. I don't mind doing it. And when Guruji said it, and the way with so much conviction that he said it, I also do it, and I feel peace at heart. It works, yes. It has only enhanced my spiritual bent of mind. Oh, he is. He's as I said, he's definitely gifted. He can see past, present, future. I mean, I also don't believe in God-men, to put it that way, but with him it's different. There's so much of a personal touch. He does it with so much concern for you that it amazes me. Not charge a single penny. You go to any other ashram, you want to do meditation and you have to really pay from your pocket, which is so where there is no money involved. I think it really makes a difference. It does.